AM Mrs. Diamond's signature. I share free recipes, healing remedies, and recycling ideas for human wellness and poultry chicken. May your new week be blessed. Today I will be making neem oil with animal fat. Animal fat has best healing nutrients for skin. And neem leaves has healing benefits to any skin ailment. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, follow, comment, ask questions and share. Thanks.
Get your neem leaves, wash it up, allow the water to dry. Put in your grinder, grind to paste. I added coconut oil. Yes, I added like 1 bottle of coconut oil, that's half cup to it, because my neem leaves paste is mush. Then this is my pork oil. I did a video of it. This is my pork oil. I pour in my pork oil. That's the animal fat oil inside it. Animal pork oil has so many essential benefits to the skin. It replenishes the skin lost nutrients. Add it. This is cold infusion of neem extract, neem oil. Yes, allow it. Some do their own hot press, but I decided to do it cold press, so there is no nutrient will be lost. I kept it on the sun like 24 hours. Sieve it out with cheesecloth. You see, this neem leaves infused with animal fat can stay for years because the animal fat has a longer shelf life. You can use this for your skin, for your cream making, for repairing skin, for any skin ailment, dandruff, hair dandruff, skin fungus, any skin disease. This neem oil will repair it. You can start a business of it, package and sell. This neem oil does a lot of wonders to my hair growth, my itchy scalp, and my dandruff is gone with this neem oil. Eczema, every skin ailment, this neem oil clears it up. I will be making a soap with this neem oil and a cream too, because it contains animal fats. Ask questions, comment, like, share. Thank you. Package as you like.